Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm 1000. I'm an artist from Seattle, Washington, and my homie Jarv, who's a super dope rapper, hit me up. He's got a new single coming out. It's called Naked, and he wants me to do the artwork for his single. It's kind of like a sexy song, and I'm not really known for being a sexy artist. Well, you know, I am a sexy artist, but I don't really make like sexy art. I make like weird, trippy, cartoony art. So this is gonna be an extra challenge. But let's dive into this thing.
Sketching like a boss.
When Jarv hit me up for this, the only piece of direction he gave me was just anime. So I started by making these like anime eyes, super anime eyes, and I was like, nah, this isn't gonna work. Kind of switched it up. Song's by Jarv and also features a Korean hip-hop artist named Woodie Gochild, and it's about a girl who's like calling him on the phone and being all provocative, and it's just sort of a sexy, vibey tune. So I wanted to kind of tap into that with this art, which was really sort of uncharted territory for me. It's definitely like not the type of stuff I usually find myself drawing, and I was just like kind of trying to figure it out, like keep pumping up the sex appeal and trying to make the art match the music. I'm feeling right now like the head is like way too small compared to the body. Something's just a little bit weird about it. So I'm gonna bring it into Procreate now and start tweaking things and continuing to sketch. And I still feel way more comfortable like starting my art on a piece of paper with a pencil. But once that I've got like a basic idea down, then I can bring it into Procreate and start sketching some more there and really like tweak stuff. So let's do that. Once that I kind of adjusted the size of the head, I saw that there was just something that was weird about the mouth. So I tried a few different options on there. Even tried this kind of like crazy demon mouth, but that didn't work out. And then I kind of ended up doing these sort of sexy plump lips. Alright, so I got the sketch kind of done, and I sent a quick picture over to Jarv just to be like, yo dude, this is the direction I'm heading in. Is this the right direction? Are you cool with this? Because all he really said is like, just anime. That was like his only piece of direction. He texted me back, said he really likes the direction it's heading in so far, so let's go ahead and ink this.
What up, YouTube? I go by the name of Jarv, Seattle music artist. Right now I want to take the time to give a shout out to my partner 1000, who did the artwork for my upcoming single Naked, featuring Woodie Gochild from Seoul, Korea, South Korea. Shout out Woodie Gochild, shout out my label Higher Music. The reason why I did pick 1000 to do this art because I love the way his style is to his art, the colors, just the whole swag he puts to his art. I even actually have a piece in my studio that he did of me. Pow! And I have about 4 or 5 pieces that he did around my house. So I really enjoy his style. And he actually did one of the artwork for a song that I love that I did a couple years ago by the name of Smoke Too Much. So shout out you for that. Shout out you for doing this one. The song Naked is basically about me talking to a lady, and you know, it's getting kind of heavy, and you know, she want me to slide through, and you know what I'm saying? That's what it is. I'm saying let's meet up. Enjoy the song, enjoy the art. Again, thank you 1000. I really appreciate you. I really enjoy your art, and you already know that. Look forward to doing some more with you, man. So again, thank you, YouTube. Go check out that single, Jarv, song called Naked, featuring Woodie Gochild, and let me know if you like it. All right, thank you.
Can't wait to get you naked, but the way you're talking to her, baby, I can't take it. No frontin', no need of blood. We're calling, I'm pulling up. It's only the two of us. You know what I'm cooking up. Now I know it's just a dog on me. Can't wait to get you naked, but the way you're talking to her, baby, I can't take it. No frontin', no need of blood. We're calling, I'm pulling up. It's only the two of us. You know what I'm cooking up.
She hit me right after the club. Talk about where you at, pull up. Got me a blunt, a bottle of soju, a couple of cups. I'm finna turn up. I'ma hit I-5 for the quick route, bust a U-turn for the dismount. Now I'm all up in this town, about to show you what to do. I hope that you with it. I like how you fit in. I ain't got no briefcase, but I'm about to get this girl to bid in. Look, she take me on back to her room, jump on my like a witch on a broom. This is that dope that be served on a spoon. Make her hit notes like she got auto-tune. Now I know it's just a dog and me, can't wait to get you naked, but the way you're talking to her, baby, I can't take it. No frontin', no need of blood. I'm calling, I'm pulling up. It's only the two of us. You know what I'm cooking up. Now I know it's just a dog and me, can't wait to get you naked, but the way you're talking to her, baby, I can't take it.
All right, let's bring this into Photoshop and start coloring it.
It's only the two of us. You know what I'm cooking up. 오늘 밤 넌 나의 폰을 울려 ring ring. 결과 뻔하잖아 원더밴 내게. 난 아닌 척 문을 두드려 그리고 난 모른 척. You already suck my 그리고 올라가 춤을 춰.
In this part of the process, I'm just doing only the flat colors so that later on I can take each of those individual colors and shade them, highlight them, add shadows, and render them as each individual chunk.
Now I know it's just a dog and me, can't wait to get you naked, but the way you're talking to her, baby, I can't take it. No frontin', no need of blood. I'm calling, I'm pulling up. It's only the two of us.
Man, when I heard this song, I was super excited to work on the artwork for it. I really like Jarv D. It's super chill and vibey. This is like the edited version with all the swear words taken out for YouTube, but Jarv just released this single today. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this song. I think it's super dope, but what do you guys think?
I know it's just a dog and me, can't wait to get you naked, but the way you're talking to her, baby, I can't take it. No frontin', no need of blood. I'm calling, I'm pulling up. It's only the two of us. You know what I'm cooking up. Now I know it's just a dog and me, can't wait to get you naked, but the way you're talking to her, baby, I can't take it.
All right, I got all the flat colors in there, and now it's time to start shading, which is my favorite part. So yeah, let's jump into this. I'm still feeling way more comfortable doing all my coloring and shading in Photoshop than Procreate. Basically, my process is taking each individual color, like for instance the hair, and I'll promote that to a new layer, lock that layer, use the freehand lasso tool, take a brush with a nice soft edge, drop the opacity down to like 20%, and do my highlights and shadows that way. I have a full tutorial on how I do my digital coloring. I'll link to it on the screen right now, but to me, this is one of the most fun art forms. Digital seems like it's maybe, I don't know, a little bit less respected of an art form, but there's a lot of things you can learn and you can go very, very deep in the digital world, and it's just another tool in the tool belt, and I love it. Well, that's it for this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really hyped on how this one came together. It was sort of an unknown for me. I was like, dude, am I the right artist for this project? But I kept chipping away at it, working at it, and I'm really happy with how it came together. Jarv is super happy with how it came together. It's always awesome when the client is happy. Go check out Jarv's new single. It just came out today. It's called Naked. It's a really dope song, and he's a really dope dude and a really dope rapper. So go support that. If you like this video, leave a like. It really helps. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think of this. A little bit of a different thing for me as far as subject matter for my art goes. Check out my website, 1000art.com, for a bunch of cool t-shirts and merch and stuff that I designed. There's actually like 3 new products on there. There's like the motorcycle, like live free, ride or die dude. There's the falling space astronaut that's actually the concept art for that ukulele I painted a few videos ago. And I just released a limited edition skateboard that I'm really excited about. I used the concept art for a mural that I painted in Linz, Austria. For that one, go check those out. I'm always super excited to like put new products out and drop new merch and like drop new designs. It's really fun for me. Check those out if you feel like it. Yay, yay, it's good to be done. I'm really excited to have my art associated with some dope music. Thanks to my patrons for making these videos possible. I really appreciate you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Woo! Jarv D!
Can't wait to get you naked, but the way you're talking to it, baby, I can't take it. No frontin', no need of love. I'm calling, I'm pulling up. It's only the 2 of us. You know what I'm cooking up. Now I know it's just a dog and me. Can't wait